Hey, and welcome to this video on the new Yanda platform. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new account on the beta version of Yanda. So if you haven't already and you're not on the registration page, go there and then you're going to type in your email address to create a new one. That one I've already started in the wrong place. So I'm going to copy that and put that into email, and I'm just going to call myself Chris Yanda as my username. Type in a password, confirm password, and then it's tick I'm not a robot. Make sure that you've ticked I've read the terms and conditions. If you haven't already done so, please go and read them. And then you're just going to click on create account. Okay, and now you can see, congratulations, your account is ready. Please check your inbox, and you'll go in there and confirm. So we just head over to the inbox there, and you can see that I've got one there that says registration succeeded. So I'm just going to open that one up and click confirm account. Okay, now as soon as you click that, it's going to take you to the welcome page on Yanda, and this is where all the fun begins. So have a little read through this. Chris Yanda, welcome to Yanda, personal automated trading software. You can click this link here, which has all the costs and fee structures to using the platform. And we want to understand your trading needs and your experience a little bit more. So what you're going to click here is you're going to click I'm ready to start. And the first question we're going to ask you is, have you ever traded on a crypto exchange before? So the ones that we've got listed here at the moment are Binance, Coinbase Pro, Bittrex, Poloniex, Bitmart, and Yobit. We do have more coming very, very soon, so keep an eye out for those. So I'm going to click on yes, I have, because I already have a Binance account selected, which I'm going to use today to connect to on the next video. So once you've done that, is you're going to select your exchange that you want to use. So for me, it would be add in Binance, and then this is where I would put in the API keys. Now I'm going to do this in the next video, so the link is also going to be down the bottom, so make sure to click that, and we'll see. If you've got any more questions, just either join our Telegram channel, leave a comment at the bottom, or email us support@yanda.io. I'll see you then.